In this video, we're going to show you how to properly inspect and replace your buffer material inside your grounding foot on your RFlex. And before we do any kind of inspecting or replacing or start working on this machine, we always want to make sure that the RFlex is in the off position. All right, the next portion, what we're going to do is we're going to inspect our grounding foot. Now, this is a Teflon material that we use, and very important that there's not a lot of waves, there's no cuts, there's no carbon buildup for any reason. Very important that this machine is grounded so that way we can ensure proper welding capabilities. Now, after you determine that we need to replace the Teflon on your grounding foot, it's very simple. All we're going to do is we are going to unscrew these 4 holding brackets. Now, some models, like this one, has a 2.5 millimeter Allen key. Some actually have a flathead screwdriver that you're going to use depending on the screw type. But as you can see, this is non-adhesive, which we do have this in stock. Check out our website or call in to our service department. I'll list the part number down below. Okay, well, after you get done removing your holding bracket, we're going to want to slide all of our buffer material here and actually inspect it, okay? So we're going to go through each one individually, make sure that there's no dust buildup, any kind of carbon buildup, no imperfections in the material. And once we have determined, let's say now this is in perfect condition, obviously, if this is in any shape or form not acceptable, what you're going to want to do is take the same material, which is going to come in a roll, and we'll put the part number in the description below. And you also, after you get done cutting this to the exact same length and width, you also want to make sure you have the exact number of sheets. It's very important for the grounding of the machine. And once you do that, you're just going to slide them right back in like so, and then button everything back up and you'll be good to go. If issues are still occurring, please visit our website at www.weldmaster.com or call into our office at 330-833-6739 for any additional support. You can also schedule a service visit from one of our highly qualified service technicians. Again, thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for choosing Miller Weldmaster for all of your welding needs.